Understanding Game Hen in English. Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into an interesting English phrase, Game Hen. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what it means, but you'll also know how to use it effectively in conversations. Let's get started. Before we delve into the phrase as a whole, let's understand the two words individually. Game. This word can have several meanings in English. It can refer to a form of playful competition, like a board game or a sports event. However, in the context of game hen, it refers to wild animals or birds that are hunted for food or sport. Hen. This word specifically refers to a female bird, especially a female chicken. So, combining these two definitions, can you guess what game hen might mean? A game hen is not just any hen. It refers to a specific type of poultry, often a young chicken, that is suitable for roasting or grilling due to its small size and tender meat. They are not necessarily hunted like wild game, but the term game in this context implies that it's a special or gourmet food item. In the market, you might also come across the term Cornish game hen. Despite the name, it's not a game bird but a type of domestic chicken bred for its small size and tasty meat. To help you integrate this term into your vocabulary, here are a few examples. 1. For dinner, we're having roasted game hen with a side of vegetables. 2. I prefer game hen over turkey because it's tender and cooks faster. 3. Have you ever tried grilling a game hen? It's delicious. I hope this video has shed light on the meaning and usage of the phrase, game hen. English is full of such unique terms, and every time you learn one, you're one step closer to mastering the language. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, practice makes perfect. See you in the next video.